Hey guys, today I'm gonna react to the last game.
Yeah, the last.
Don't be the... Okay. I might be able to split this into... No! I will just split this into parts. I'm gonna...
It could be 4 videos.
Oh no! No! He's dead! He's dead! He's dead!
He's dead.
Observation, HD presence. A short Roblox movie.
School's about to start. You don't want to be late on your first day.
But, Mom, I'm a guest. Nobody's going to like me. Hey, look, it's a stupid guest. Didn't think there were any of them left. Yeah, I know.
Ignore them. Go in there, be yourself, and you'll make friends in no time. Remember what we've always told you.
Hey.
Be strong.
It's going to be good.
Always be strong.
If this ends up with the guest dying, then I'm gonna cry. Why are you taking a shot here?
I might love to okay.
You don't need to do this.
Oh no! He died! No! What? What happened? No! How dare they killed him!
Ow, he might
Soldier terrorist organization claimed
Oh
responsibility.
my god, my mouth.
The victims were believed to be 2 of the few remaining guests in Roblox. The so-called Bacon Soldiers are causing chaos across Roblox, killing innocent civilians and causing terror. The police.
Hold on a minute. Dante, do you know it's not going to work playing Fortnite?
Hi, I'm Daisy. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Daisy?
Guess.
I
Daisy
heard
and
about
Yes.
your parents. I'm sorry about what happened to them. I can't believe you're one of the last guests.
Daisy and
Thanks.
guests.
How
Oh
long
my
have
god.
you been here?
Well, I'm new here too, and I'm thinking we could be friends.
Yeah, I'd like that.
Let's go grab some breakfast. I'll show you around the house, then later we can go to the park.
Why did...
You need to be taught a lesson, little girl.
No, she isn't gonna be
Sorry.
taught to listen.
My leg must have accidentally slipped. Hey, leave her alone. Oh, hey, look what little rat showed up. Come on, then. Fight me, tough guy. You weak, pathetic guest. No wonder your species died out.
What?
Go pick on somebody your own size, yeah?
Hold on a minute. He just knocked.
Thanks.
He just knocked him down.
You guys
Whoa!
are horrible.
No problem. That's what friends are for. Hey, sorry about that.
No, I want to
You're a
move
nasty
now.
bunch of guys. My name's Matt, by the way. Nice to meet
Okay.
you. I'm called Guest.
And I'm Daisy. Thanks for helping us out.
Okay. I'm sorry what happened.
Oh my god, I'm so wet.
Look, my mouse is working.
So you can play when we get back. Oh, hell yeah. I'm gonna smack you.
No chance.
That's what home's a loser.
Oh, you're on.
Bacon soldiers are gonna come in the house. Who? The bacon soldier.
I'm gonna win this.
Nah, I won this.
Woohoo! I'm the champion.
So
God damn it.
close.
Still playing it. That Xbox controller, or are we? Oh. Where's Stacy go? I mean, where'd the blah blah guy go?
Guys, you need to get up and hide. Quickly.
What? What's going on?
The bacon soldiers. They're here. We really need to hide, like, right now.
Why do you have chromium? Of course I have chromium. Oh my god! The bacon soldier! The bacon soldier. Wrong one. It's the wrong one. It's going to the wrong one. He's in that one.
Looks like I was wrong. Oh, damn it. The police.
Who's in that one? Oh my gosh.
You kids are very lucky to be alive. Especially you, guest. And bacon soldiers seriously don't like your people. Yarvin could really use your help one day when you're old enough to join.
See you later. They're getting married. They're getting married.
Couple that have such an amazing bond and friendship as these two wonderful people. It's been an absolute pleasure being friends with them from the start.
She's pregnant. Oh, they got a Oh God.
There is panic in Roblox tonight as the Bacon Soldier terrorist organization went on a mass killing. Builderman has issued a warning urging people to remain indoors and be vigilant. The terrorist organization has doubled in number over the past 10 years and the authorities are struggling to remain in control. Tragically, another family of guests were victims of the terrorism. It is believed
Only
there's only one
one!
last guest in Roblox. The terrorists are just going to keep coming and coming. I don't want my family to live in a world where they're always under threat.
Yo, we need to
I'm
end the
going to
video
join the army,
here.
Matt. And nothing's going to stop me.
No!
I'm coming with you.
Come on, have to end the video. He's gonna die! I think they're gonna die. They're gonna die! Because we saw from that little cutscene, the blah blah guy was gonna die. And Daisy is sad because Guest is leaving. Oh.
Welcome to training camp, maggots. We are here today for one purpose only, and that is to destroy every last bacon soldier alive.
Sorry guys.
Well, look who we have. Every last bacon...
There we go. Sorry. Sorry guys.
Welcome to training camp, maggots. We are here today for one purpose only, and that is to destroy every last bacon soldier alive. You will be sent out on the front line, so train hard or die. Well, look who we have here. It's the rat from the orphanage. What the hell is a guest like you doing in the army? Yeah, that's it. You better run away. You weak, pathetic guest.
Oh! Yes! Okay. This is where I'm going to end the video. It's like 10 minutes time, so...
Wow, that was awesome.
I can't move the mouse.
Do you want to go in the
Mouse!
Danilo, Nat said you want to go hers. Nat said you want to go hers.
Huh?
Nat said you want to go hers.
Okay, yes, but I'm sorry. Ah, my mouse! I need to move it. I'm sorry. This is so embarrassing. Okay. Can someone help me? Get my hand. Ah! My hand is... My... What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it still doesn't... I'm sorry.
That's your mum's
Oh,
call.
oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh my god! Come on. I need to end. I'm sorry. I'm sorry guys, I need to end the video here.
See you later. Bye bye.